ADAS. What does it mean, and what are these systems?
Okay, yeah, really good question, Jason. ADAS, it's an acronym for Advanced Driver Assistance Systems. And if we just go back a little bit, we've had driver assistance systems on vehicles for quite some time now.
Yeah.
If we think of anti-lock braking, for example, that's a driver assistance system. If we think of electronic stability control, again, a driver assistance system. But now the technology that's evolved and developed and also become cheaper means that we can put more technology into the vehicles and have advanced driver assistance systems. And this can be things like the windscreen cameras that we see on vehicles today that look out the front of the vehicle.
I always think they're speed cameras.
And they don't take pictures that you can see. But yeah, so the windscreen cameras on the vehicles. We have radars surrounding the vehicles now. We have radars at the front corners and rear corners. We have LiDARs. We have infrared cameras. Some vehicles, we have multiple cameras also looking at the driver and into the cabin and looking at the passenger seat to see if the passenger seat is even occupied. So there's a lot of these systems that are designed and put onto the vehicles today. And really the idea is to make travelling on the road safer. So to try and eliminate collisions, and where a collision can't be eliminated, to mitigate the damage to the driver, the passenger, and also the vehicle and pedestrians.